Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Which is the longest surah of Al-Quran? Option A, Surah Al-Baqarah. Option B, Surah Al-Falaq. Option C, Surah Al-Imran. Option D, none of these. So इसका right option A, Surah Al-Baqarah. Question 2. Which is the shortest Surah Al-Quran? Option A, Surah Al-Nas. Option B, Surah Al-Kawthar. Option C, Surah Al-Asr. या option D, none of these. So इसका right option B, Surah Al-Kawthar. Question 3. When zakat become obligatory? Option A 1 Hijri, option B 2 Hijri, option C 3 Hijri, option D 4 Hijri. So इसका right option B 2 Hijri. Question 4. When Qibla changed? Option A 1 Hijri, option B 2 Hijri, option C 3 Hijri, option D 4th Hijri. So इसका right option B 2 Hijri. Question 5th. The nisab on zakat on gold is option A 7 tola, option B 7.5 tola, option C 52 tola या option D 54 tola. So इसका right option B 7.5 tola. Question 6. The first Ghazwa in Islam in which Muslim fought? Option A Ghazwa Abwa, option B Ghazwa Badr, option C Ghazwa Uhud, option D none of these. So इसका right option B Ghazwa Badr. Question 7. Imam Darul Hijrat was the title of Hazrat Imam Ahmad Razilullah. Option B Imam Malik Razilullah. Option C Imam Shafi Razilullah. Option D none of these. So इसका right option Imam Malik Razilullah. Question 9. The kissing of Hajar Aswad is called option A Istilam, option B Sahi, option C Mabrur, option D none of these. So इसका right option B Sahi. Question 10th. What is the total number of Ghazwat? Option A 23, option B 25, option C 27, option D 30. So इसका right option C 27th. Question 11th. Which surah does not start with Bismillah? Option A Al-Asr, option B Al-Nisa, option C Al-Tawbah, option D Al-Namma. So इसका right option C Al-Tawbah. Question 12. In which year migration to Medina took place? Option A 618 AD, option B 620 AD, option C 622 AD, option D 624 AD. So इसका right option 622 AD. Question 13th. When did Battle of Ohd take place? Option A 2 Hijri, option B 3 Hijri, option C 4 Hijri, option D 5 Hijri. So इसका right option B 3 Hijri. Question 15th. Which country is called the land of prophets? Option A Palestine, option B Saudi Arabia, option C Pakistan, option D Iran. So इसका right option A Palestine. Question 16. D8 countries contains option A 13% population and 7% land, option B 10% population and 6% land, option C 8% population and 6% land. Question 17th. The second meeting of Khilafat movement held in option A Delhi, option B Amritsar, option C Lahore, option D Mumbai. So इसका right option B Amritsar. Question 18th. 5-year thousand of Pakistan is written by option A Stanley Walpart, option B R.E.M. Weller, option C K.K. Aziz, option D none of these. So इसका right option R.E.M. Weller. Question 20. What is the meant by equinox? Option A, the shortest day. Option B, the longest day. Option C, equal duration of the day and night. And option D, none of this. So is correct option A, equal duration of day and night. Question 21. SECP is the regulatory authority of option A, stock market. Option B, import and export. Option C, media business. या option D, all of these. So is correct option is stock market. Question 22. What is the abbreviation of SECP? So इसका right option है Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Question 23. When South Korea conduct its second nuclear test? Option A 2006, option B 2007, option C 2009, option D 2011. So इसका right option 2009. Question 24. Cooking gas is a mixture of option A butane and nitrogen, option B propane and butane, option C carbon and propane, option D none of these. So इसका right option है option B propane and butane. Question 25th. The Central National Mohammedan Association was founded in 1877 by option A Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, option B Sayyid Amir Ali, option C Chaudhry Ahmad Ali, option D none of these. So इसका right option है option A Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question 26. The action button in PowerPoint is option A and option B home, option C tab या option D all of these. So इसका right option है option D all of these. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.